more? Yeah, there are. That guy's got a cool mask. Had a cool mask. It's got a couple holes in it now. More? More bad guys? What's exploding? I'm full health. That's good. Okay. I'll try to find the Claptrap. No guarantees. Things are exploding, and I think that's probably the shock crystals. Oh, that's cool. That's a cool looking gun. Doesn't do as much damage, but it shoots faster. Got the same accuracy. I like this one though. I like this one. We'll see what this one has. I debated all that over this one, because this one's hands down better, right? Yeah, it's a SMG too, so using that, get my grenades back, and I'm pretty sure that does explosive damage, but I'm not sure you want a sniper rifle that does explosive damage. That gun's better. Look at all these new guns we're using. That's full. These shock crystals. There's that one. I don't know how many we have. How many do we have? 30. That's good. Are there more? More up this way? Ammo. That's good. I like ammo. Ammo's always positive. And here we got some poopy pistols. Just pick them up. I'm going to sell them later. I'm not even going to look at them. I mean, I took a quick look at them. Not like I avoided looking at them, just picking them up. No, I gave a quick look. That's what's important. What do we got going on over here? Some bad guys. They're looming near. I missed. That guy is scary. Ah, I got one. That was good. I'm not sure what that actually is, but take that. Oh, I love this gun. That is a good gun. Yeah. This is a good gun. I'm glad I leveled up for that. Not leveled up. Traded up. That's the word I'm looking for. You don't get to see the bullets though. It's kind of weird. Like it shoots invisible bullets. Any other bad guys around? That one's poopy. That one's it's the same, and I'm full. So we'll just take the money. I hope I can still pick up like this type of stuff. I would like to reload that. See, that gun reloads hella quick. I could have swore I saw something. Servers are seizing. Okay. Stuck. Stuck on something. It's not cool, whatever it is. I'm still full. Full, so full. Not hungry at all. We gotta be at like 40? That's good. That's good we're at 40. At least I think we're at 40. Yeah, 40 it is. We probably have to loop around that way to get the... Oh, there's more things here. charged me and he ran right by. Excuse me, sir. Go after someone else, Bloodwing. I know there's more, probably, somewhere. Nothing? Okay. So make it 45. Do I get experience for killing those? I mean, I should. What do we got? 45? 45. And I have to find that repair thing. This is probably it. That's it for that, and I can turn it in. And we're done a butt ton of side quests. Look at that. Fine there. Ooh. You just stay put there, Mr. Psycho. Yeah, that was good. The bird went to someone else. That was good. That was good. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. That was, I'm gonna say, relatively painless. Yeah. There's still more guys here, but it wouldn't be the same without more guys. Yeah. That didn't hit his own guy? Really? Playing that game? Yeah. Just take the time and reload. Yeah. I don't know what that is. That is good. I'm taking it. I wish it didn't deplete my shields when that happened. There's bad guys around here. Missed. I am pro. And I'm out of ammo. That didn't hit him. That's okay. My bird got me an achievement called Not Really a People Person. I am standing next to that barrel which does explode. And not really an achievement, it's more of an accomplishment. Challenge? Yeah. Yeah, it was a challenge. And that was good, because I got tons of experience off that. That doesn't do much damage, but I'll take the ammo. I was like, why can't I pick that up? Uh-huh. So, repair kit. Here. We don't actually have to finish this. Because that just empties into a tunnel anyway. So we're going to have to come back here anyway, probably to fight some boss, right? We don't have another mission in here? No, just that one. Then we have a bunch of stuff to return. That's still tough, but we'll be able to do that. Because we'll be at least, I'm hoping, we'll be at least a level 18. I'm stuck on like, dead bodies or that little rock. Mr. Claptrap is here. Excellent. There you go, buddy. Increase my carrying capacity, I think. That's what it said. I wasn't actually paying attention. So, the other one showed us a weapon stash, right?
Oh, come on, let's get down. Come on, everybody. Check me out. I'm dancing. I'm dancing.
I had dance too. Right? Or does he just dance?
Oh, yeah? Well,
Guessing he just dances. Okay, that's sweet. He just dances. Do I have to equip it? Yes, I do. So we got a couple more slots. So we'll pick up some stuff that's around here. we're gonna sell it, don't worry. I'm gonna pick up that. And that. And that's probably good. I don't know how many slots we had, but I'm not looking for stuff. Stuck again. Sledge? Yeah, we leave. We leave now. Not this again. No, we already did this. No, 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 no. We already did this. We already played this game, guys. Nobody won. Well, I did, kinda, sorta. Out of ammo. Oh, that's good. Because now I have to fight these guys. Just run. We will just run. And we'll run straight out of here, too. I'm out. I'm done. Done with that place. Got what we came for. And then some. I like that cave. I was not expecting to get such good weapons in there. But I did. Thus, I'm happy. Yeah, I like to get rolling. Rocket launcher. Spawn a vehicle. To the driver's seat is where I would like to be teleported. So let's go on back to Firestone. Firestone is my home for now. Woo! Come on. Yeah. That was the Skag Flip 186-2 B. You don't want to see me do the C. Woo! Whoop! 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 Oh, I'm so surprised. So surprised I didn't hit anything. Just mind-blowing. I don't know if you can hit stuff in there. So, yeah. I guess we can turn that stuff in. And then call it for today. I've been recording for just over an hour. So I think that's a good idea. Combat. We'll load up on ammo too. Peter, revolver, shotgun shells. That's good. SMGs. We need... I don't know if I got one of these. Now I did. Can't use that. Okay. Buy some more of that. And I think that's really all I need. Buy some more. And in the selling department, we're just gonna sell it all. I'm pretty sure it's all bad. Someone will tell me if it's not. No, they won't. Because the only person who watches this is Mega Man. Extreme 2. And I'm not even sure he watches all of these. Like, all the way through. Do you? Do you watch all of them? Honestly. Look at all the stuff we got to turn in. Sweet. So, we got that level up. That was good. And we also have to turn in the sledge, I guess. But we got... That's a hunter. Am I a hunter? Add shock to Bloodwing skill. Can I mix? I guess I can. So, that's what happens. Next time, we're going to go storm the castle. And, yeah, murder people. It'll be fun. Please. Choose an artifact. Oh, I guess I have to equip one. Well, we'll try Firewing, I guess. Sounds good. So, please join me next time. Thank you for watching. Until then, have a good night and good evening.